this video, I'm gonna show you on how to get or renew your NBI clearance if you are an OFW or living abroad. NBI clearance is valid for only 1 year. And if you are living abroad, going home to the Philippines just to get your NBI clearance is not a wise thing to do. You can get or renew your NBI clearance from the Philippines through an authorized representative. Pwede po kamag-anak or kahit kaibigan mo. So to get or renew your NBI clearance, you should complete all the required documents. First is to get and file an NBI clearance application form. Makukuha niyo po ito sa Philippine Embassy or Consular Office in the country where you live. At pagkatapos ma-fill out ang form, next step is to get assistance sa embassy or sa nearest police department to affix your fingerprint and pay the fee for the fingerprinting service. Next step po ay mag-prepare ng dalawang 2x2 recent photo na may puting background, photocopy ng iyong Philippine passport and other valid government IDs, at gumawa ng signed authorized letter. And then, next is send the documents sa authorized representative in the Philippines. Then get an NBI appointment online. Just visit the NBI service site by typing clearance.gov.ph sa inyong web browser. And take note lang po, while filling out sa details ninyo, ang pipiliin nyo lang sa NBI Clearance Center ay United Nations Avenue, Ermita, Manila. Kasi yan lang po ang NBI branch na tumatanggap ng applications and renewals para sa Filipinos living abroad. Pagkatapos mag-fill out at makuha ang reference number, next step is to pay the fee through online. Or, pwede rin namang magbayad ang iyong authorized representative sa bayad center outlets. Then let your authorized representative submit all the documents. Sa scheduled appointment po, dapat isubmit ng authorized representative ang lahat ng required documents, pati na ang reference number, sa NBI building in UN Avenue, Manila, and go directly to the mailed clearance section ng building. Lastly, claim the NBI clearance. Sa scheduled claim date, the authorized representative will return and proceed sa printing section para i-claim ang NBI clearance. So that's it, guys. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button for more videos.